It's amazing. You can see it's late in the day or late in the afternoon, kind of, and it's just packed. Unbelievable. It's a very popular section of the show. Hello from CES. I have toured a few of the floors, and it's a tiring show, I gotta say. Found a few things I like. Didn't really have an agenda when it's coming here, but I like to keep on top of what's going on in the world. And I'm taking this video with a cool new lens that I'll post a picture later. Does kind of a 360. It's a cool little lens. Anyway, again, Randy at Sino Sales. If there's a product or something you're looking for to be made in China, that's what we do. Thanks.